Okay, anybody? My camera broke again. I can't see, so I don't know if it's going to do a good job. I don't know. Anyway, Ruben, thank you for the camera. That's the dog. It came in handy. But I can't see what I'm doing, so... My God, I need a tripod. Never mind the coronavirus. I'm going through a crisis right here. Okay. Anyway, whatever. As I've been saying, the coronavirus, big panic. I think the poor are in more danger than anything else. I'm going to read you a proceeding that's in a release by the courts, and listen to this. All New Brunswick courthouses are closed to the general public amid coronavirus. Only those who are necessary to the proceeding before the courts will be allowed inside. The Court of Queen's Bench has adjourned all scheduled jury trial until further notice. All non-essential or non-urgent matters have also been postponed. The provincial court has adjourned all trials and preliminary inquiries with some exception. That's the scary part. Matters involving an accused in custody or a matter considered urgent by the judge are going ahead. Some other proceeding like plea court, judicial interim release hearing, whatever that means, will also proceed. So the course is not shut down, and there was an arrest by the legislator last night. Now, that's the problem. I contacted my source, but no answer. And I believe under the Privacy Act, they can't tell us. It looked like I got the video. Go on my blog, you'll see it. Don't know who that guy is. Don't know what happened. I didn't know the sergeant at arms. The sergeant at arms, Jake Cote, was there. And the police were circling the legislator yesterday like crazy. So was the guy seeking help for the coronavirus? He thought he could just go see the government. We don't know. The problem I'm having here is they say only cases that's going to be sentenced will proceed ahead. This is without the public. This is without Irving media. When I say Irving media, people like Don McPherson, I couldn't do his job, stays there all day long to make sure we know what's going on. I remember there was a case, Kevin Vickers, I remember, a case, 4 or 5 years ago. And I wanted to know the verdict of the sentence. And they told me the courthouse. The clerk said, oh, we can't tell you that. Under the Privacy Act, we're not allowed. You'll have to go buy an Irving paper. I said, what? So they have the doc. They say who's going to show up in court. But the sentence is not public. Under the Privacy Act, we're not allowed to know the sentence. So I presume if they started by an arrest by the legislator yesterday, there's going to be more arrests coming. And they're going to hold them in court. And they're just going to say, Your Honor, this must not be tolerated. And the sentence is going to be harsher than usual. And the public will not know. So, and then what happened to me a couple of days ago at the soup kitchen. We don't know what's going on there. Our food's going to be cut off. We don't know. It's starting to get a little bit, even myself, I'm a little bit concerned to buy stuff, but you got no money. What can you do? I'm afraid that I think the grocery stores are going to start to shut down. I'm not sure. But anyway, never mind. Focus, Charles. The issue of the courts, everything should be shut down. Not just special cases that they could just give a bigger, a larger sentence, a more harsh sentence than usual because nobody is watching. And let's not forget, the government do the dirty work during a crisis. Remember the flood in 2008? They voted themselves a $6 million raise in their pension. So if you're the less fortunate, you got problems with the law, I think you better be careful, because there could be a lot of arrests that's coming. Again, if there was communication between the higher ups and the lower, people wouldn't be asking questions and go on Facebook and blogs and Twitter. But when you have no communication, we have a problem. But something tells me the court system are going to communicate with the less fortunate, big time. And don't forget, they don't have the right to a lawyer.